In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create scrolling text on WBUX no coding experience needed. If you've ever wanted a clean announcement bar that moves across the screen to highlight a sale, event, or important update, this walkthrough is for you. We'll use Wix's built-in tools with a tiny bit of copy and paste HTML and CSS, and I'll show you exactly where everything goes so it feels simple and stress-free. First, open your Wix account. Choose the site you want to edit and head into the editor. On your canvas, add a new section and choose a blank one. Think of the section as your announcement bar. Drag the handles to shrink its height so it looks like a slim strip. Then pick a background color that fits your brand and offers good contrast with the text you'll add. High contrast is key for accessibility and readability. Next, we'll bring in the scrolling effect. From the left menu, click Add Elements, then Embed Code, and choose Embed HTML. A box will appear on your page. In its settings, make sure the HTML option is selected so Wix knows to render code rather than display it as plain text. Now paste your basic marquee snippet into that box. This simple line of HTML wraps your message and moves it horizontally. Click Update in the HTML settings to see it in action right away. From here, you can customize the look and feel without writing anything complicated. Replace the place-adjust to placeholder text between the opening and closing marquee tags with your own message, like a promo or a site-wide update. To change the text color, look for Color, and swap in your preferred hex code. If you don't have one handy, tools like Canva or Google's Color Picker make it easy to find exact brand colors. Adjust font size to make your message larger or smaller, and set the font family to a common web-safe choice, such as Garamond, Arial, or Courier for reliable rendering. If you'd rather the text move the other way, change direction, left to direction right. And if you want a little breathing room between repeated phrases, add a few non-breaking spaces by inserting where you want extra gaps. Finally, make it fit your layout. Resize the HTML box so it stretches across the full width of your section and center it visually. Click Update to preview the changes, then position the announcement bar at the top or bottom of your page, depending on where it makes the most sense for your visitors. When you're happy, save your work. That's it. You now have a clean, customizable scrolling text bar in Wix, perfect for drawing attention without overwhelming your design. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.